Hey friends, it is the Linux Ninja. I have returned. It's been 2 weeks since I've posted. And as some of you know, the reason behind that mischievous, scandalous vacation of mine is because I fell skateboarding and I love skateboarding. I've been doing it since the 80s. It is my muse indeed. And it's a cruel mistress. And I fell skateboarding a rail and twisted my everything. I twisted everything. My soul is bent. But I am on the uppity up, but sitting down like this for a certain period of time is painful. But the show must go on. I must soldier on. So what have I been up to? Thank you for asking. I like this back and forth. I have missed you all. I did some stuff. I am now running Arch, by the way. I was just bored. I've installed Arch before, but I've never run it as my daily. So I'm doing that right now. I was bored, and I must say I love the Arch wiki. As soon as you start to like understand the philosophy of how it's built. Besides Arch, I installed a home media server for us, and it's running Ubuntu. And why Ubuntu? Well, because I read on the line that ZFS and Ubuntu is pretty seamless and painless, two concepts that I like currently. And I can admit it was painless and seamless, and ZFS has just been working. And it's running two pools that are mirrored and two data sets, one for Plex and one for image. So Imic was super easy. It was just Docker build, bada bing, bada boom. It was up and running. I can show you, talk about it further, and let me know in the comments if you're interested. It's hosting all our photos, and it's pretty cool. Like location, picks up locations, and it does facial scanning. So it's kind of like Google Photos, but just you run it locally. Recommended so far. Besides Imic, ZFS, Arch. Oh yeah, Nobara. I installed Nobara, and because I am totally giving up on Windows, I can't run it anymore. After the whole Windows 10 to 11 fiasco and how they're forcing people to upgrade their machines, even though they're perfectly good, I'm not on board with that. And so the only reason I was keeping Windows around was because of CSGO 2, and now I've been running that on Nobara. No issues at all. NVIDIA installation seamless, and the game runs as well as it does in Windows. For some reason, I don't know why, after like playing for 90 minutes or so, it starts to stutter a bit for a few seconds, and it always happens. So totally lost for words there. Yeah, nothing in the logs. So I don't know what's going on, but then it's fine again. So maybe it's just after 90 minutes, it's like, hey buddy, I need a break. You need to stand up, stretch. And yeah, and so, on Arch, I'm running GNOME 48. I'm currently going to record a video, and it's going to come out like right after this one. So, I don't know, GNOME 48, Arch. By the way, who knows what I'm talking about? Yeah, so, and also I played on Nobara, the Metro trilogy. And not a lot, but just to see if it works. And it was just golden, no issues. I honestly felt or feel so subjective, but even like the FPS counter is higher than in Windows, and just feels smoother. So who knows? Yeah, so that's what I've been up to, and I've been doing all these things while taking breaks. Like I work on something for a few minutes, and then I was like, oh, my leg, and then I have to go lie down. And yeah, I know, I'm a big baby. Who knew? So I'm just glad to be back. I just wanted to let you guys know what I've been up to. And so I'm going to start shooting this GNOME 48 video on Arch. So thank you for listening. I missed you guys, and hope you're all well. Talk to you later. Bye.